Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to make your PC remote desktop. So let's start. First, go to the Start menu and open Settings. Now in the search field, type Remote Desktop. Click on it. This is the option to enable the remote desktop. Click on it. And a pop-up will ask for confirmation. Confirm it. Now here you can see your PC's name. Each time when you will try to get access to your desktop remotely, you will need your PC's name. So copy this name or remember it. How to connect with a remote desktop. On the other computer, go to the search box and type Remote Desktop Connection. Open this app. A new window will open like this, and here in this field, enter your PC's name, which we copied from our PC, and click on Connect. It will take a few seconds to build up a remote connection, but it depends on your internet speed. One thing you have to keep in mind is that the remote desktop function will work only when both PCs are connected to the internet or Wi-Fi. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.